My name's Tony Delnevo, and I'm an electromechanical technician, and I also manage all of our in-house 3D printing. I got started about 4 years ago, just hit my 4-year mark earlier this week, and it's been just unreal, for lack of better terms. When I started, we actually didn't really have much going on with 3D printing, just had a couple machines, and it gave me the opportunity to completely expand on that, and just the knowledge I've learned is invaluable. I've learned things I never thought I would learn before, and I've been given the ultimate freedom to pursue things on my own initiative. Just the work culture here is amazing, the flexibility is amazing, and happiness for me is one of the most important things in a company, and I've reached peak happiness in this place. And I do love 3D printing as a hobby, so the fact that I got to grow that within this company just makes it not even feel like work most of the time.